Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix Apex Legends lag, high ping and packet loss. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, depending on where you got Apex Legends, you need to get into the Apex Legends files. So I got it on EA, so I just need to go to press on Apex Legends, then manage, view properties, browse, and then on browse you need to press on the blank space and copy path of folders, right? If you're using Steam, quite similar. You just need to go to Steam library, then find Apex Legends, properties, installed files, and then browse. And once you have the path, another thing what you need to do here, you need to go to search, graphics settings, then make sure select this change default graphic settings and make sure hardware accelerated GPU scheduling is enabled. Then go back, and here you need to find Apex Legends. So for me is R5 Apex 60 and R5 Apex DX12. Make sure both on high performance, right? And if you don't see these two options here, what you need to do here is to then press browse, then copy the path, paste the path that we copied. And then here it should be these two that you can add it right here, right? And it should appear. And so you can set to high performance, right? And the next step, what we need to do here, we need to make sure that Windows Defender Firewall is allowing Apex. And to do so, you just need to write Windows Defender Firewall, then allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall, change settings, and then here you should see if Apex is added or not. As you can see here, for me is added, so I don't need to worry about it. But if you don't see these two options, then you need to select allow another app, and then here you need to click browse and then do the same, paste the path and add these two files, right? And the next step, what we need to do here is to go back on search, and then you just need to write virus and threat protection. And here we need to select virus and threat protection settings, then scroll down until you see exclusions, select that, and then select add an exclusion folder. Then here we need to copy, paste path again, and then select folder, and the folder should appear here. And then you need to look if the problem persists or not. And if the problem persists, another thing that you can do here, you need to open up CMD, right click on it, run as admin. Then here you need to write ipconfig/flush DNS, and then another command that you need to put is nesh winsock reset, right? And after that, go to settings, then go to network and internet, then select advanced network settings, and then reset network. If you're using Wi-Fi, you need to put your password again. If you're using Ethernet cable, you don't need to do here nothing. And the last thing that you can do here, you need to go to network and internet, again on advanced network settings, expand this option, go to more network adapter options, then make sure Internet Protocol version 6 is disabled, then double click on Internet Protocol version 4, and then select use the following DNS server addresses and write 8.8.8.8, and on alternate DNS server you need to write 8.8.4.4. Apply the changes, restart your computer, and your problem should be fixed. So yeah, that's pretty much it. If I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care.